Hello, this is Dr. Gary Huddleston, and welcome to the Accuflex Nova Manual Flexion Table video. This short video will introduce you to the fantastic new Nova Manual Flexion Table that is not only built to last, but built to offer fabulous ranges of motion, complete flexion distraction capabilities, and be the most affordable flexion table you can purchase with Accuflex's uncompromising quality and attention to detail. Both the Nova Manual Flexion Table and the Eclipse Electric Flexion Table offer what we call MPM or multi-plane movements. Instead of having the motion on one section, both the Nova and Eclipse have different table sections that move. For example, the front section moves laterally, the rear section flexes P to A, and the rear section will also optionally distract. More controlled movement, while at the same time integrating different body parts, improves ranges of motion and helps speed up healing. Let's start at the front of the table and look at some of the great standard features found on the Nova Manual Flexion Table. Under the front headpiece is a convenient release trigger. This trigger allows you to effortlessly tilt or decline the headpiece. This is one of the smoothest mechanisms available, and there is also a paper roll holder, guide, and cutoff. Moving towards the middle of the table is the Accuflex floating abdominal. You can even release this with the patient on the table and lock it in place as well. The Accuflex floating abdominal doesn't drop down and bottom out, but supports the patient and moves with your adjustment and the patient's weight. The Accuflex floating abdominal has been called one of the most comfortable sections of its kind on any chiropractic table. Again, this is a standard feature. In order to obtain proper disc reduction, the table needs to move laterally to open the involved affected unit. A simple adjustable release lever allows both left and right lateral flexion. This lock is rock solid and allows you to leave the section open for bio movements or lock it in any position you want for treatment. Proper flexion protocols can be done with the Nova's rear flexing section. You will notice that the springs run linear and not up and down as on most tables. Linear spring design allows a smoother flexion stroke with much less adjustment of the spring tension. Just push the simple trigger to unlock and commence flexion. You can also lock the Nova's rear flexion section in flexion, level, or into extension. The removable and free guide handle makes flexion easy and quick. With linear spring design, adjustment of the flexion carriage is often not even needed. If you do go from a heavy to light patient, or vice versa, just turn the tension control under the ankle extension. The standard ankle extension allows for comfort and better placement of taller patients and can be locked in any position. The 3 distraction straps can also be removed or used from either side of the table. Just unsnap them as you wish. All Accuflex tables can be ordered with optional drops, such as 4-drop cervical, thoracic or lumbar, and pelvic drops. The Accuflex drops are razor sharp and use special CNC case-hardened drop pins for years of dependable use. The drops can be caught from either side of the table with tensioning done easy and quick. Without doubt, the Accuflex drops are some of the best on the market. One of the most innovative and affordable options on the Nova Manual Flexion Table is the new wireless blast long-axis distraction system. Now, you can move the pelvic section out anywhere from 1 inch to 6 inches to distract fixated joints or help reduce disc lesions that respond to long-axis distraction. The wireless hand control fits in your pocket for safety and can distract from anywhere in the treatment room, even if you're sitting in a chair. use blast with your Flexion procedures, or as a standalone distraction treatment. The Accuflex Nova is the only manual flexion table on the market that offers wireless long-axis distraction and at the most affordable price anywhere, which is priced half of what other companies charge. The Nova manual flexion table can be ordered in any fixed height from 21 to 26 inches, and we offer a fabulous new line of upholstery colors. You can also order AccuLift, which qualifies for the ADA tax credit and electrically lifts your table from 21 to nearly 36 inches in height. At Accuflex Tables, we're only a phone call or email away. Call us at 417-667-7770 with any questions you may have or to place an order. You can email us at drg4000@att.net, and Dr. Huddleston will personally help you. Thanks again, and we look forward to hearing from you.